Okay, so you finished your animation and you want to export this as a movie or still pictures so that you can show it to other people that don't have Flash and aren't going to be able to open this. So there's two ways to do this. Either you go up here to File and go Export Movie, and you want to change this to QuickTime. Okay, bouncing ball tutorial. Let's just put that on the desktop for now. And hit save, and then these settings come up. I believe if you choose this, that would make it so instead of this blue and or purple background, it'll just be clear, so you could put some other background in there later. But we'll leave the background that we have. Stop exporting when the last frame is reached. Yep. And store temp data, usually on disk. Yeah, I think on disk works better. Okay. QuickTime settings, compression, animation. This is going to make for a really big file. So I'm going to change that. This is a good compression to use if you're going to be working with it more, combining it with other footage, that kind of stuff. It's real high quality, but it takes up a lot of space. Not that this will take up that much space anyway, it's only 24 frames long, but I'll export it as this since this is going to be a finished thing. Okay, let's do faster encode, single pass, and everything else looks good. Okay. All right. Hit export. And something that only lasts 1 second long. Usually doesn't take very long to export, but I'll just pause this and oh, it's done. Okay, so let's open that up. Sure where it went. Let's hide this thing. Bouncing ball tutorial right here. Okay, now in the QuickTime player you can turn looping on here. Well, let me play it. Just a second. Okay, now it looks like it's working. So I've got looping turned on. I can go full screen. There we go. Finished cartoon. The timing looks good. Sometimes if you export it as a QuickTime movie, it gets glitchy, like the frames freeze up. So if that happens to you, you export it and it gets all jerky. I will show you the other way you can export this. So if you go here to File, Export, Movie, instead of QuickTime, you can choose a still image sequence. So I'll just choose JPEGs. Probably want to create a new folder, bouncing ball exports, because it's going to create 24 pictures, and then it'll put them all in this folder. Hit save. Yep, keep that same resolution. 25 is good. Quality, 1 out of 100. Come on. Okay, now it exports the image sequence. And then if we find this folder, bouncing ball exports, you'll see that we have a bunch of still pictures in here. And then you can bring these pictures into Final Cut or Premiere or something and set them each so that they last 1 frame, then export it that way. This is also good if you want to adjust the timing or get rid of a few of the pictures, anything like that. So once we bring it into an editing program, we could add sound effects, music, anything we want. But that is the basics for how to do a bouncing ball animation. Make some symbols, make your backgrounds move, and get it exported to a movie. So hope you had a good time and learned some things, and that's it. See ya.